Situ Bagendit is located in the village of Bagendit, Banyuresmi District, Garut Regency, West Java, Indonesia. Situ Bagendit is a natural tourist attraction in the form of a lake with an administrative boundary in the north bordering Banyuresmi village, in the east bordering Binakarya village, and in the west bordering Sukamukti village. Tourism activities that can be done at Situ Bagendit include enjoying the scenery around the lake by boat or raft. The visitors can also do family recreation activities, enjoy the scenery and water cycling activities. Objects and natural attraction of Situ Bagendit have environmental quality, cleanliness, and landscape in good condition. Buildings in the area, both permanent and semi-permanent, are in well-maintained condition. In this area, there is trash pollution and vandalism in the form of graffiti on buildings and trees. Visibility in this area is slightly hindered. Noise levels are moderate and there are advertising signs. The facilities available in this area are the rental of 60 rafts at a rate of 25,000 rupiahs per 15 minutes, 11 water bikes at a rate of 10,000 rupiahs per 15 minutes, which are in good condition. There are also several park benches and 6 shelters that are rented to visitors at a price of 3,000 rupiahs per hour. There is also a mini train with a tariff of 2,000 rupiahs and a swimming pool in Situ Bagendit area. The atmosphere in this tourist area is quite comfortable because construction has been well planned by the tourism department, but there are still illegal and street vendors. The level of visibility in the area becomes a bit hindered. Objects and tourist attractions Situ Bagendit operates at 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Electricity in these regions comes from PLN with 220 volts and sufficient distribution. Clean water research in this area comes from wells and PDAMs with clear water quality, fresh water test, and normal water odor. There are obstacles to water use in Situ Bagendit area, which is when the dry season around the water subsides. The distance of Situ Bagendit tourist area from the center of Garut is 4 km. There are public transportation in the form of public transportation measures measuring in Guntur to KP Terminal, Merger and Garut to Limbangan at a tariff of 1,500 and ojek at a tariff of 2,000 rupiahs. The object and tourist attraction of Situ Bagendit is 6 people. Visitors who visit this attraction monthly reach 400 to 600 people. The visitors usually come from Garut, Sukabumi, Tasikmalaya, Bogor, Bandung, and Jakarta.